Ma'am, what are we going to do today?
I'm putting up sums. Please do that. Come on, Hamdan, can you read it?
My car had 12.3 gallons of gas. I burned 4.8 gallons of. I burned 4.8 gallons on a recent trip. How much do I have left now? 12.3 minus 4.8.
Yes, please do that. Come on, Zaveria. Understood? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood the word problem?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on.
Ma'am, the answer is 7.5.
7.5. Okay, yes, correct. Let everybody do it. Umar, did you get the answer? Come on, Zaveria, read. Have you finished doing the first sums? Hamdan, you'll not tell what to do, okay? Let everybody try. I'll just give you all 2 more minutes. Complete your first sum.
Ma'am, are you the host?
No, Hamdan. Aisha Kazi is the host.
I got the first one's answer. Should I
Who we
read
answer
the
for the
next one?
first one? What is your answer, Zaveria?
12.5.
No. It is
12.5.
12.5. Do it again. That person has
Now we
12.3
have to
gallons.
minus.
Yes, he had 12.3 gallons of gas. He says that I burned 4.8, means he used 4.8. So you will place like this, correct? And now you minus. Come on, Zaveria. Can you minus 8 from 3?
No, ma'am.
So you will borrow. Come on, do your minor subtraction properly and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I just joined it. Ma'am, I just joined it. What do I have to do?
Can you see this first sum, Hamza?
Why can't we put a 4.8 up and 12.3 down?
No, which is a greater number if you have to do
Ma'am,
subtraction.
the answer is 7.5.
Yes, which is the greater number. When you have to do subtraction, you will write the greater number on top. That is when you can subtract, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now 3 is a smaller number than 8. That is the reason we have to borrow. Which is a greater number.
I'm 7.5.
Yes. You have to first check this. 12.3 is more than 12 but less than 13. Let me just explain you. This is a number line, okay? Suppose you have 12 here. This will be 12.1, 12.2, 12.3. So your 12.3 lies somewhere here. Then
Ma'am,
comes
can I say the answer for second question?
No, I'm done. Wait, let them try. 12.4.
Ma'am, can I see the answer in the chat box? Can I send it to you in private?
Yes. 12.6, 12.7, 12.8, 12.9, and finally 12.10, and then comes number 13. So what is this point
Ma'am,
3?
I have a doubt. What is IBS? I mean LBS.
That is a weight.
Oh,
Ma'am, I've sent you.
Yeah, I'll check. Okay. So similarly, just give me 1 minute, Amdan. I'll just check. Just give me one. 12 is a whole number and point 3 is a part of 12. Similarly, 4 is a whole number and point 8 is part of that 4. For example, I write 4 up. So 4.8 is more than 4 but less than 5, correct? Where will
yes.
4.8 lie in this number line? 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4.8 lies here, correct? Understanding, Zaveria?
Yes, ma'am.
And if I have to compare which number is greater, what I do is 12 is a whole number and 4 is a whole number. So which will be the greater number? 12 or 4?
12.
So if I have to subtract, I will write 12.3 up and 4.8 down. Correct? Now come on, start doing the
Yes.
next one. Okay, I have to check Hamdan's answer. Yes, Hamdan, correct.
Ma'am, in
Come
the
on, the
next one
second
we
one.
have to add
No, that is what I'm reading it to
multiply.
you. A watermelon weighed 0.32 lbs. lbs is nothing but the weight of the watermelon. Initially, what was the weight of that watermelon? 0.32, okay? But now it weighs 550.3 times of that weight. That means 50.3 times of this 0.32 weight. And what does time tell us? What do you mean by time? What you have to do?
More.
They say 3.
Multiply.
Yes, multiply. So what you will do? 0.32 multiplied by 3. Okay. Come on. I'll put up one more sums. Today Aisha Aga is not there, right? Give me 1 minute, okay? I'm done. I'm just putting up another sums.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the second question.
What happened, Umar?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the second question.
Okay. They say that the watermelon weighed 0.32 lbs. This is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the second part they are telling, but now the weight of the watermelon is 50.3 times more what it weighed earlier. So earlier its weight was, oh god, this pen, no. See, yeah, yeah. Earlier the weight of the watermelon was
Ma'am,
0.30.
the answer to the second one is
Wait.
16.096.
And now it is the weight of that watermelon melon is 50.3 times more of this weight. Okay, so when they say that it is more, when they use the word 50.3 times or 4 times more, 3 times more, that means you have to multiply. So what you will do, 0.32 multiplied by 50.3. Come on.
Ma'am,
From
you
when
don't
the
have to
sums is,
put the. Ma'am, you don't have to put those first points.
yeah, yes.
Ma'am, can I do?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, you've written like. Can I write and do opposite like?
Yes, 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 please.
I got 16.096.
What is your answer, Zaveria?
16.096.
I can't hear you, Zaveria.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, tell me.
My answer is 16.096.
Super, very good. Aisha, did you also get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am. I got 16.
Umar, Umar, are you there? Umar, I can't hear you at all.
Ma'am, but how can a watermelon beat juice?
Sorry?
Ma'am, how can a watermelon weight grow so much?
I don't know. Maybe this is just a word problem, a magic. The biggest watermelon. After our exam, we'll all sit and have. Yes, Umar. Okay, I'll give you one tricky question after this, okay? Now see, Umar, did you get the answer? Hamza?
Ma'am, my annotation is not working.
Why?
I don't know, ma'am. It's
This,
505.
you did this, no?
No, ma'am, I did not.
I did it.
Okay, Aisha, you did it. Why?
But ma'am, my answer is also the same.
But why can't you do it on the screen? What's wrong?
Yeah, I don't know, ma'am. I don't know what's happening.
Oh, I put up one sums now. After this, that you can do it on the screen directly. Okay. Let me
Okay.
see. Okay, Umar, did you get this answer?
Ma'am, but I can show you in the book what I've done for you.
Yes. Yes. Now, how many of us are there in this batch with me? Okay. Umar, Hamdan, Aisha Kazi, Hamza, Zaveria, and Aisha Aga. We are 6 of them, actually 7 with me, right? Yes or no?
Can you repeat what you said?
I am so sorry, sir. I don't know who's talking. I can't hear at all.
Ma'am, Juveria is talking.
Okay. Zaveria, I'm extremely sorry, dear. I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, even I can't hear. It's like
Okay, for example, you'll all fare your essay very well, okay? And I have this big watermelon with me. So I come to share with y'all. And how many of us are there? We are 7 of us. So if I have to divide this watermelon, which is 16.096. So what I do, I will divide
ma'am,
that.
can I do this?
Yes, come on. if I want to equally share it among us. Kumar, did you get this answer? I can't hear you. Hamza, did you get this answer? Eh? Why two Hamzas?
Ma'am, can I tell you the answer?
Tell me.
Ma'am, the answer is 2.229.
Okay, let me just. I mean, I'm.
No, sorry, no. The answer is 2299. 2.299.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I got
2.299.
2 point. Yeah, even I got that. So approximately say 2 kg, around 2 kg, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Each of us will get
2
around say
2 kg and 300 grams.
300 grams. Superb, Hamza.
But just 1 gram difference.
Yes. So wow, we can do a big watermelon party after our essay exam is over, right? Have you seen that new song on YouTube? It is getting viral. You know that something like ये हम है, ये हमारी कार है,
Yeah, party हो
और
रही
ये
है.
हमारी party हो रही है. So we can have this watermelon and sing that song, no?
Yeah, ये हम है, ये हमारा watermelon है और ये party हो रही है.
Watermelon है और ये हमारी party हो रही है.
Ma'am, it's not party, it's party.
I know they say it in a very stylish way, you know. I don't know, my daughter, she keeps watching cartoon on that, so sometimes I get to see that. So we can also have this big watermelon.
ये हमारी कार है और यहाँ party हो रही है.
Yes, so we'll have this lovely. Imagine you have a 2 kg watermelon. At least I will not have my food that day. I can have this big watermelon.
Ma'am, now I think
I'll have watermelon from breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Watermelon is one of my favorite fruit.
Me too, ma'am. Watermelon and mango. Watermelon and
wow, mango season.
I love ketchup.
Okay, all are finished. Shall I move further?
Ma'am, now I think my annotation is working. Can I do the sum direct on the next sum direct on the board?
Yes.
And ma'am, this party over here, it went more viral after Yashraj Mukhate put a remix on it.
Oh yes, I am not that aware of that. But just because my daughter, she keeps watching cartoons, so sometimes I get to hear, oftenly. So I just happen to see that what is exactly. Let me see. So it has become so viral. People have made so many videos on TikTok also on that now.
Yeah, so many, like ये हमारा घर है, यहाँ हम है और यहाँ सफाई हो रही है, ये हम है,
Yes,
हमारा
I
टॉयलेट और यहाँ potty हो रही है, everything they put. A person also put like this that ये मेरे एग्जाम के रिजल्ट्स है, ये मेरे बाबा जी है और यहाँ कुटाई हो रही है.
Come on. Who would like to read this? Okay, let me just delete these ones. Okay.
Ma'am, there is an option above there, clear all drawings. You can just click on that and all is gone.
But then this will also go, no, which I've just recently typed. Thank you. Who's doing that? Hamza, can you please read this word problem for us? Hamza, are you there? Okay, he's also facing.
A, B, and C drank one by 1/5 of 2/5 and 1/5 fraction of juice respectively or as
0.5.
how much juice did they drank all together?
Okay.
Ma'am,
What
we
is
will
it?
have 1, 2, 4. So, ma'am, 1 plus 1 is 2,
4.5.
2 plus 2 is 4.
Yes. Why could
4
you
out
just
of
add
5.
the numerator easily? Because the denominator is the same, right?
1 quarter is left.
Yes.
1 quarter is left, 4 quarters they drank, ma'am.
Yes. But why was it so
4/5.
easy that you all could do it mentally? I'm not getting that pen, yeah. Yeah, I got it. Okay. They say that Mr. A drank 1/5. We have to find out how much juice did they all drink together. So definitely we will add all. Then it becomes 2.2 upon 5. And again 1 upon 5. It was so easy to do it mentally because they all are like fractions with the same denominator. Therefore, you don't have to take any LCM or anything, and you can just add the numerators and your answer will be 4 upon 5. Easy.
Can you hear me?
What happened, Zaveria? It was Zaveria, right?
Can you hear me?
Yes, Zaveria, tell me.
Can you hear me?
Zaveria?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Zaveria, tell me.
Ma'am, in some point you can't hear me at all. And my
I
internet
am so
goes.
sorry, your voice is cracking, Zaveria. Can you be a little loud?
Ma'am, my internet
Yes, I can make it. Your internet is really bad. Give me 1 minute. Zaveria, what happened? You're trying to tell me something. Can you write in the chat? Others can hear me? Okay, Hamdan says yes. Okay. Okay, now
Ma'am, it was happening. It must be happening that on the page when your network is not there, it shows reconnecting and you can't see anybody. It's like full black and it is reconnecting. So
or
you
what
can't see
happens is
anybody. So she
your
can't type
image
on chat.
becomes a statue.
Yeah, she can't type on chat, ma'am, because
She
the
cannot
screen
type
of
on chat if your internet
her
is low.
screen is black and it is reconnecting.
Okay. Okay, now that's 10:40 now. We'll wind up the class here. I'll put up a worksheet on fraction and decimal both. Okay, y'all only want sums or y'all want me to put word problems? Tell me. Because in your maths essay, which is going to start from the first week of April, let me just clear your syllabus. You will have fractions and decimals both. And in science, you will have magnetism and skeleton both. So tomorrow we will be discussing on that. So if I have to put a worksheet,
And we will do muscular system tomorrow, right? Because there's a lot left in skeletal system we did not complete.
Yes. So today, if I'm putting a worksheet, you all want me to put just sums or you all are okay with word problems now? Can I put word problems? I know Hamdan is very much good to go. What about, okay, Zaveria, you're back. You wanted to say something?
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, I
Can
can hear you.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, can I keep my video off? Because then only you can hear me clearly. When
Yes,
I keep
tell
my
me.
video on.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Hamza.
Can you put what in the worksheet whatever is coming in exam?
Yes. I'll give you full paper, then it is okay.
Okay. You want to get science?
Both full paper you want, I'll give you full paper.
Yeah, ma'am.
See, look at him so nicely telling, yeah, ma'am. When I give you full paper, then what is the use of the exam? I'll give you the marks also here only, no? Then no exam. Okay, Hamza?
Ma'am, do that. That
So
would be nice.
innocently telling me, yes, ma'am. Give us the full paper. Okay, I'll discuss tomorrow.
And there
what
are
is-
still 27, 28 days left for the exam.
Yes, not 27. From the
No,
first
ma'am,
week
7
of
days.
April, you have 1
Yeah.
week to go.
Yeah, today's 3, ma'am.
Today's
27.
3. Today's 23rd.
Huh?
Hamdan, what is wrong with you? Today is
Oh,
23rd of March.
it's the third month. I thought it was 3 date.
Yeah. Okay. I'll see you all tomorrow and I will discuss. Yes, Samza, tell me.
Ma'am, can you send the notes of math and science worksheet?
Yes, I will give you all tomorrow that important notes, you know, in the class when you get your exams are coming and you tell teacher, please put important notes, you know. So I'll share that important points with you all. So definitely you all can refer that and that will be helpful for you all during your essay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Today I will put a worksheet. You all can solve that worksheet from Google Classroom. After 2 o'clock, I will post it. Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye.